Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in WebMoney account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar, type in login.wmtransfer.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of WebMoney. From here you'll be able to log into your account. Simply click on the option login that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface of WebMoney. From here you'll be able to log into your account. You can either enter your credentials or you can also log in with the QR code if you want. If you want to log in with QR code, simply click on the option QR code. After that you'll be able to log into your account. You can also choose the keeper of your choice. You'll be able to find two keepers over here, Keeper Win Pro, Keeper Web Pro. So you can simply determine and identify the WebMoney keeper that you want to use and proceed to use it. So if you want to log into your account, simply enter your credentials. First of all, you'll have to enter your phone number or email or WM ID. So simply enter the credentials over here. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. Now what you have to do is enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now you'll also have to enter the code from the picture. So simply enter the code over here. Now after entering all these, what you have to do is click on the enter option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. But depending on the WebMoney keeper that you're using, you might also have to go through the process of authentication. So depending on your chosen WebMoney keeper, simply go through the authentication process and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in WebMoney account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.